traders, let's break down how we used order flow tools to catch this long opportunity. This is our second setup of the day. Why this trade? We had multiple bullish signals in confluence. Let's start with volume profile, which gave us a bullish context. The volume profile showed an imbalanced context to the upside. Price opened above the previous value area high and accepted that zone as support. That support zone aligned with a key confluence area automatically plotted by levels PRO formed by the R2 pivot and the previous week's high. This is a strong support plus the bullish context gave us a long bias. On VWAP, the buyers were defending. Price tried to break below the -1 VWAP standard deviation, but failed. That told us the bullish context was still valid. Later, price retested VWAP and held it as support, showing buyers were still defending. Let's take a look at Cumulative Delta. Cumulative Delta printed an auto-detected bullish divergence. Price was holding while selling pressure was fading. This is a clear sign of buyers absorbing liquidity. On the footprint, at the VWAP touch, sellers hit the tape aggressively, trying to push price below VWAP. Despite the heavy sell orders, price didn't break down. Suddenly, a wave of buy orders appeared, and the next candle closed with positive delta. Classic absorption plus initiative buying right at a key level. Now the big trade bubbles shows us the smart money at work. Every time price touched -1 standard deviation or VWAP, we saw big sell orders printing. Those bubbles appeared at the lows, price closed above them, and the next candles failed to break lower. Big sellers were absorbed, not followed through, another strong long signal. The take profit target. For the target, we looked at the next liquidity and resistance area from levels pro which is composed of R3 pivot and overnight session high confluence. Price moved cleanly into that zone and even pushed beyond. Exactly at our TP area, the bubble tool showed large buy orders. Perfect spot to lock in profits as late longs jump in. Confluence checklist for this trade. Bullish volume profile context. Price opening and accepting above previous VAH. Levels pro confluence, R2 plus previous week high. VWAP and -1 standard deviation holding as support. Bullish cumulative delta divergence. Absorption on footprint at footprint. Big trades absorbed at key levels. This is how you use order flow tools together to filter for higher probability trades instead of guessing. See all these indicators and more on Hameral.com. Like this kind of videos and want more? Let us know in the comments. Cheers!